Hello, good morning. Today I will be presenting about permutation and combination, additional mathematics chapter 4 for my project-based learning. And this could also expand more knowledge in for those who are watching through YouTube. Essential question. How do you determine whether it is permutation or combination? The difference between combinations and permutations is order. With permutations, we care about the order of the elements, whereas with combinations, we don't. For example, say our lock-on combo is 453, 5432. So let's say if you put 2345 or 2435 or so on and so forth, or even 4325, the lock will open because it is a different ordering, aka permutation. For combination, an example would be choosing 7 channels from 18 channels without considering the order. Next. Okay, the first unit question. What is permutation, actually? A permutation is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a set when the order of the arrangement matters. So, what is combination? Combination is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items where the order of the selection does not matter. Okay, permutation, let's say like the card locker, the combination, let's say like the combination, let's say there's 7 of 18 channels, so you choose. Okay, got the question. What is the most important thing in permutation? There's only one thing. The most important thing in permutation is the order. Likewise, the most important thing in combination is the selection of data. Okay, so, but you might be wondering, how do you determine whether a situation is about permutation or combination? For permutation, you can determine by looking out for the keywords arrange, password, code, number, or if a condition is imposed, let's say like the vowels must be grouped together, or the circles and triangles must be grouped arranged alternatively, like say circle triangle circle triangle circle triangle and so on and so forth. For combination, you can know by looking out for the keywords choose, select, or if no condition is imposed. Okay, so you might ask, is there any possibility that permutation and combination can occur in the same situation? Yes. So, two situations that show both permutation and combination is, let's say the first one is, there are 12 players in the school handball team. Determine the number of ways a coach can choose 5 players as striker 1, striker 2, striker 3, defender 1, and defender 2. Okay, so you can see here of 12 players, so your n is equal to 12. So choose 5 players. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this actually is permutation. Why? Because it says there is a specification. There's a condition to it. So this is permutation. So the way is 12b5. Okay. B, to display in the district level competition. Since there is no since there is no condition, don't get easily confused by district level competition. So it's 12c5. Okay. A second way is find the number of ways to select 2 letters from the word bestari if no condition is posed. So this is so this is combination. B, the vowels must be grouped together. So there is a specification. We call it a condition. So this is permutation. So find 2 daily life situations about permutation and combination. Permutation is around like arranging people, arranging numbers, or arranging numbers. Combination would be selecting from a menu or selecting clothes. So that's all for me today. Thank you very much.